Hello guys, join me. Let's prepare African salad, Abacha. Still your girl, Chinaza. So I'm going to show you some of the things we are going to use. This is our Abacha after being soaked in side water for some minutes. Then we have our ungo, we have our ehulu, we have grounded pepper, the water to mix. Then here we blended crayfish and onions. We have our stockfish, then some seasoning. So kindly watch the video till the end. Then here we have our pearls. Then we have sieved our ungo inside here. I don't know the name on English, but I'm still going to look for that. So we've sieved the water. Then we are going to add our ehulu and other things. Kindly watch the video till the end. And then don't forget to comment, like, share. Thank you. Bye.